How to enable hints on Candy Crush Saga. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. So if you have ever feel stuck on the Candy Crush label and wishing for a little extra help, then well, we have a good news. In order to enable hints in Candy Crush Saga so you never miss a possible move again, you need to first open Candy Crush Saga app on your phone and make sure you sign in to your account or create one account on Candy Crush. So here you can easily see the gear icon at bottom left corner, or you can easily go ahead and select play. So let's tap on this gear icon and the menu will appear where you will get accessibility options. Select that. And at the top, you will see hints. Turn on the button, and with that, you will successfully navigate the hints that will guide you through top levels. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.